Hey there, superstars! Today we're going to talk about the magical world of programming and development and the awesome languages used to talk to computers like Python, C++, Java, and JavaScript. Let's get started. What is programming? Imagine your computer is like a super helpful robot. But there's one catch. It doesn't understand your language. You can't just say, "Hey computer, make me a game." It won't understand. So how do you talk to a computer? That's where programming comes in. Definition: programming is the process of writing instructions that a computer can understand and follow. These instructions are called code, and the people who write them are called programmers or developers. Think of it like writing a recipe. If you want your robot to bake a cake, you have to tell it step by step. Open the oven, mix flour and eggs, bake for 20 minutes. That's exactly what programming is. Giving clear steps to the computer. What is development? Development means building things using programming, like apps, games, websites, or software. So when someone says they're a software developer, it means they use programming to create cool stuff like games, websites, mobile apps, robot brains. It's like being an architect, but instead of building houses, you build digital things. What are programming languages? Just like we speak English, Hindi, or Spanish, computers understand special programming languages. There are many languages, but let's talk about 4 popular ones: Python, C++, Java, and JavaScript. Python. Python is like the easiest language to learn, simple and friendly. It's great for beginners and is used in games, websites, artificial intelligence, AI, data science. Famous quote: "Python is the second best language for everything." Peter Norvig, AI expert. It means it's so good you can use it almost everywhere. C++. C+ is like the superhero of fast and powerful programs. It's used in video games, robots, operating systems like Windows. But it's a little harder to learn than Python. Still, it gives you super control over how the computer works. Java. Java is like a write-once, run-anywhere language. It's used in mobile apps, especially Android, banking systems, big business software. Java is known for being strong, stable, and safe, just like a bank vault. JavaScript. JavaScript is the language of the web. If you see buttons, animations, or games in your browser, that's JavaScript at work. It's used for online games, web apps, quick and cool, like a ninja on the internet. Why learn programming? Because programming lets you build anything you imagine, solve problems like a superhero, be creative and smart. Here's a famous quote by Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple. "Everyone should learn how to program because it teaches you how to think. Learning to code helps you think better and build awesome things." So today we learned programming is giving instructions to a computer. Development means building apps, games, and websites. Languages like Python, C++, Java, and JavaScript help us do this. Each language has its own style and superpowers, and just like learning music, art, programming can be fun, creative, and powerful.